Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. And today we're getting down and dirty and talking about heat damage. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that I straightened my hair back in December, I want to say, or maybe it was the beginning of January. I didn't recall. One of those months. And I went into the salon because I didn't feel like doing it myself, and I just let them go ham, y'all. Oh man, just thinking about it makes me so sad. Same sections were getting blown out more than the other sections, and it was cute for like 5 seconds till I realized what I did. I want to share with you guys some tips and some things that I'm going to be doing to recover from heat damage and some things that you could do as well. And we're just going to try to recover from Nelia's stupid decisions. So off the bat, just a heads up, even if you don't have heat damage and you're watching this video, you can still learn a few things. For instance, if you're about to use heat, don't go past 450 degrees. That's just a big no-no in the natural hair community. That's where our hair really starts breaking down and getting damaged. And some even recommend just keeping it at a good 400 degrees or less. So if you're a fine natural hair girl like myself, you already know he's rough. Our hair isn't as kinky or as tighter as other natural haired girls, so fine hair is more susceptible to heat damage, which I knew that, but you know, I did things anyways. So one of the main things is when you shampoo your hair, when it's heat damage, you want to make sure you're using a clarifying shampoo. Clarifying the hair really, of course, gets your scalp really squeaky clean. Then when it's clean, we're able to put in our deep conditioners and our protein treatments, and there's no like dirty barrier blocking all the goodiness from getting to our strands. One clarifying shampoo that I've really been enjoying lately is the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Love at First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo with aloe, and of course no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, all that great stuff. I recently just picked this up at Target for around $10, and you guys, I actually do really like this shampoo. I like the nozzle. I like how it's all like just a liquid in your hair, and then when you start putting a little scrub action, it foams up and lathers and just gets your hair really clean. I'm learning that any shampoo that's clear like this is usually just straight to the point. We're just here to wash. Nothing else fancy, okay? Another way to really clarify your hair is ACV, apple cider vinegar. There's so many great things about apple cider vinegar. I want to make a whole video about it, but another day. Of course, the bentonite clay mask, which I did do a video of that on my channel. I'll link it above and below. That's also a really great detox for your scalp and your hair as well. Squeaky clean, and your curls be popping after that mask. It's really good. The hype is real. So now that our hair is squeaky clean and detox, we can now move on to treatments. And of course, you already know protein treatment. My whole video about tension damage, I listed every kind of protein treatment that I'm in love with, but just a quick recap. A common one that you guys are probably very familiar with is the Apogee Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. This is my go-to since I was relaxed, and even when I'm natural, this thing is still amazing and quick. You can keep it on 2 to 5 minutes and you're good to go. And that's your protein treatment right there for the week. If Apogee's not your cup of tea, I did list a whole bunch more in my tension damage video, so go click that after this video and you'll see a whole list. Another tip is to track your progress. Essentially what I've been researching is that you want to continue to do the clarification, the protein treatments consistently for at least 3 months. And if your hair does not revert back, it's probably too late to gone, sis. Now, unfortunately, my heat damage is in the front of my hair at the roots. Let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Here's my heat damage. This is just one little portion of it, but this is the section that really irks me. It's making me sad. So as you can see, it has like, it looks like it wants to do something, but it's probably not, and it's at the root, so it really drives me crazy. The heat damage is at your ends, and you have strangly ends or something like that. I highly recommend just trimming those, and it'll grow back, I promise you. Keep track of what you're doing, see if there's any progress. If there isn't, I recommend switching it up, trying a new protein treatment, or maybe actually being consistent. You know, you skipped your protein treatment that week, girl. Back, you know me, I make videos so I get to see my hair throughout the year, and of course, pictures are easy too. Now, because our hair is heat damaged, it's automatically going to be super prone to even more damage and breakage. So you definitely want to be extra careful. You want to follow up your protein treatments with a moisturizing conditioner or even a moisturizing deep conditioner. You just want to have a good protein moisturizing balance. Damaged hair, this is the time where we can't play around, okay? We got to stick to our regimen and get our hair in order. We don't want it to get worse and split off and cause more breakage, and then the whole strand is just trash. And for me, it's at the front of my head, so I really don't want any more harm to come to my hair. Now, because our hair is heat damaged, this is the time to actually maybe tuck it away so you don't think too much about it. But on the flip side of that, you're gonna miss out on all your protein treatment options and things like that, especially if you have your hair in braids or something like that. But if you opt for those protective styles that you can redo weekly, like bantu knots, twist outs, braid outs, then I think you're gonna be good to go. Lately, I've been doing twade outs. I do like those a lot. I just did a video on that, so check it out. I'm also gonna throw in some mini twists soon, like very soon. So we're gonna see how those look with the heat damage. Hopefully they don't look too bad. But we're gonna do it anyways because you guys know that's my go-to style. Okay, I hope I helped you guys out. I hope I taught you something new about heat damage and how we're gonna treat it. If you're on a heat damage recovery journey, please leave a comment down below. Let me know some tips that maybe I forgot to mention that you're doing that can help your girl out and everybody else watching, because this is not cute. Hey guys, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below some heat damage tips if you have any. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.